All right, that last video, you couldn't really see my casting distance. My form on the release. As you can see, piece of cut shad, simple, 3-ounce sinker, 150-pound cast king braided line, pretty much unbreakable. Most of you are like, well, I don't use line that big because I can't break it off on bottom. No, it'll straighten your hook. I haven't lost any rigs since I've been using this. I've lost a few rigs, a couple hooks. Most of the time it breaks off. I'll still get the sinker back. I can break it. It's not easy. Anyhow, certainly you never had a catfish break it. I highly doubt I ever will. You put that much tension on a fish, you don't know what you're doing. That's what a drag's for, so the fish can strip line and not put enough force on the hook to rip it out of the side of his head. Sometimes you got to put some force on them to keep them out of structure. It just is what it is. But other than that, you won't let that fish run. You know, it's a yo-yo battle. Pay attention to this form and this casting distance. Oh, there's a hit. I got it. Another line. He ain't that big still. Nice little early morning minnow, basically. Probably the ones I've been missing hook sets on right here. See how wide open he was running? Bring him around under this rod. 6-7 pounder maybe, nothing special. Wasted my time, basically. Fun to catch, I guess. Minnow. It's a blue cat.